Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain the procedure to set up or reset TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi range extender device. Let's start the process. To start the WPS setup process for your TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi range extender, you need to place the extender near to your router. Now, activate the WPS function on your router by pressing the WPS button. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender for 1 second, and the LED starts blinking. Wait for the LED lights to turn solid blue, indicating a successful connection. Now test the connection by connecting to your phone or PC. To start the setup your TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi range extender using a web browser, you first need to place the extender near to your router. Power on both the devices. Now, connect your computer or smartphone to the extender's network name, which is TP-Link_extender. After connected with the TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi range extender network, you need to launch a web browser. Here, type tplinkrepeater.net in the web address bar. Now, create a password to log in. Then, follow the web instructions to complete the setup. After setup, plug in the extender about halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. The location you choose must be within the range of your router. To set up your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender using the app, you need to launch the Tether app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have an account, create one first. After login, tap the plus button and select Range Extender option. Follow app instructions to complete the setup. The LED lights should turn solid on, indicating successful connection to your router. If you are facing any trouble, then you can reset your TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi extender to its factory default settings. To reset, simply hold and press the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Then release the button. Wait about 2 minutes to reset your TP-Link extender to its factory default settings. If you are unable to set up your TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi extender with your router, or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.